I started life as a farmer, milking cows, involved in dairy all my life. Started Crickley Dairy in 1984 from very humble beginnings. 1 bakkie, 4 people, right from the start. We were intent on creating a team of people that could deliver at a very high standard and grow the company through difficult times. My farm was a very small farm, so in order to make it, I needed to add value to the products I produced. And therein came the idea of starting a dairy and selling the milk and adding value to the milk. It was a journey of entrepreneurship. It began from knowing very little, but you learn as you go along. And 35 plus years later, Crickley Dairy is a strong company with excellent values, producing the top quality products in the Eastern Cape. And we are immensely proud of everything that we do. And it is about pride. It is about commitment. It is about courage. It is about a journey of discovery, a journey of winning with people and growing people from all walks of life. And I just think that if I look at where Crickley is today, I'm very proud of what we've been able to achieve.
I'm Crystal Barker, the marketing consultant at Crickley Dairy. At Crickley, we have committed to deliver the best quality product to our customers for almost 40 years. Deeply entrenched in the heart of the Eastern Cape, our business has grown to one of the most loved brands in the Eastern Cape region. With our commitment to innovation and constant development, we will continue to strengthen our brand presence and foster growth within the communities we serve. First and foremost, quality will always be at the heart of everything we do. From the fresh milk sourced from our local farms to the final product on the shelf, we're committed to maintaining the highest standards. We'll continue investing in technology and refining our processes to ensure every Crickley product lives up to its promise of excellence to our customer as well as our consumer. Our team has collaboratively over 1,000 years of experience. This speaks to the level of dedication, passion and commitment within the Crickley team. At the core of our vision is building and strengthening relationships with our employees, our suppliers, and most importantly, our customers. At the heart of our business lies a simple yet powerful principle: to provide our consumers with the highest quality product. We understand that when our consumers choose us as a brand, they place their trust in us to deliver reliability as well as exceptional performance. It is the trust that drives us to continually raise the bar in everything we do.
Hi, I'm Mishka Wunna and I'm the Quality Manager at Crickley Dairy. Behind every delicious and safe dairy product produced by Crickley, there's a team of dedicated experts working tirelessly to ensure its food safety and quality. Our Quality and Compliance Department is the guardian of our products' integrity, protecting public health, ensuring regulatory compliance and driving business success. We're dedicated to guaranteeing that every product meets the highest standards of food safety and quality. From raw milk reception to finished product dispatch, our team scrutinizes every step of the process. We conduct rigorous testing, audits, and inspections to guarantee compliance with regulatory requirements and our own standards. Our commitment to food safety and quality is unwavering, and we're proud to be a leader in the dairy industry.
I am John Williams. I'm the supply chain manager. The supply chain is often described as the backbone of any business operation. It's also seen as a network of processes that ensures a seamless supply of products to the customer. It's a powerful driver of growth and efficiency, with the main aim of ensuring that the right products are available at the right time, the right place, and at the right cost. So here at Crickley, our core focus as the supply chain department is to ensure that we optimize these processes and that we reduce the waste and we ensure that those resources are used effectively. Ultimately, here at Crickley Supply Chain, we believe that delivering on a commitment is essential, and that is both for good business and longevity.
As a company, we strive to make decisions that contribute positively to our local communities. This is done by strengthening our partnerships with local farmers who share our values for care and sustainability. By forming relationships with our local suppliers, we can collaborate, improve and innovate to meet consistent changing demands. We support the economic growth of our local regions, contributing to job sustainability, fostering entrepreneurship and local growth, and building resilience within our communities. This results in partnerships rooted in mutual success.
Hi, my name is John Conway. I'm the CEO of Crickley Dairy. It's really nice is that we've got homegrown talent, which has come through the ranks. I mean, they've been around for 20 plus years. They've got lots of experience and they've grown up with Crickley. So the passion of our people within the business makes it a whole lot more easier if you want to motivate them, to lead them, and then just allow them to flourish in what they do. And I think that's what the reward is actually seeing them doing well.
Melikaya, I'm a production unit manager. I started at the dairy in 1996. Then I was a bit young, energetic guy who was curious. I made myself. Then in 3 months' time, I think I'm promoted in 3 different positions. I was a general worker, I was a machine operator. Then I started supervising a line, then I went over to processing. That means I've grown a lot. I went through all the ranks. I had all the opportunities I've given by the company, and I've used them a lot. And I really appreciate that. Now in each and every step, there is an inspection for each and every unit of production that goes through the market. As a result, we have got few customer complaints, high quality product, and which we are proud of it. Every day is new to us. I enjoy mostly to be a key team player. And I like to work with the team as a team, because alone it doesn't work. The Crickley, since it's a growing company, at least they've got opportunities to let people grow.
Hi, my name is Zinke. I'm the HR business partner for Crickley. That our people are the heart of everything that we do at Crickley. It is for this reason that our collective success has been built on the contribution of each and every individual. We believe that when our people grow, the company grows with them. We are all about finding the right talent that aligns to our culture and our values of this organization. Transparency and open communication are the core of what we do. Through our initiatives that we have created, we have spaces for our employees so that they are able to share their ideas, provide feedback, and for them to stay updated with the company's vision. This is to ensure that everyone is heard and that we continue to grow as one team. Our people at Crickley are more than just employees. They are the foundation of Crickley's success, and they truly make the difference to our organization.
Hi, my name is Megan Pringle and I'm the Head of Finance at Crickley Dairy. Our department is the backbone of our business and is not just about balancing books and tracking numbers. Our daily focus is to ensure financial accuracy, internal controls, cash flow management, and statutory compliance. Here at Crickley, what sets us apart is the constant communication we have with all departments to ensure that we find solutions, share valuable insights, and allow sufficient support to aid strategic, informed decision-making. For me, the key to a truly great finance department is professionalism, commitment, and dedication. My team continuously assesses themselves through ethical values and knowledge to ensure that we stay skilled and informed. With integrity at the forefront of what we do, we continuously strive to ensure best practice when it comes to our organization's financial stability. Our department is not just a support function, but a crucial partner in our business. We provide the financial clarity and controls needed for long-term growth and sustainability, and we play a key role in ensuring that the organization remains profitable and sustainable.
The future of Crickley is about innovation and meeting the evolving needs of our customers. Through this, we have over the years invested in cutting-edge production equipment, strong, reliable regional distribution, directly to the customer, and environmentally sustainable alternatives such as environmentally friendly packaging and a fully operational solar system. From expanding our product offerings to making our operations more efficient, we focused on creating dairy products that suit modern lifestyles, directly accessible at an affordable price.
Like any business, if we've had our ups and downs, we are back on the road to recovery. So it's quite nice to see our footprint getting re-established. We are securing more milk so we can keep our winter base right. In the past, what happened with the seasonality of milk is we had to select which customers we went to. We are busy getting that right so we can consistently supply all our customers throughout the year. And I think that's quite exciting. So it'll mean then from a productivity point of view that the operation will be a whole lot more profitable going forward, and we can start venturing into new products again. So we're quite excited about our drinking snacks that are coming on board, our dairy snacks that are coming on board. So there's a lot of new stuff coming down the line, and I think that's what the opportunity affords.
We take pride in the feedback we receive from our customers, knowing that each positive review reflects our relentless pursuit to perfection. By listening to our consumers and understanding their needs, we are able to constantly refine and improve our offerings. The two-way relationship allows us to not only stay relevant, but also lead the way in providing products that enhances everyday lives. Our vision for 2025 is to continue to being the trusted choice for families in the Eastern Cape, delivering the highest quality dairy while supporting the communities that we are a part of. I'm incredibly excited about what lies ahead for Crickley, and I look forward to this journey. Thank you for being part of the Crickley story. Here's to a bright future, the Crickley way.